it, and that's the other part of Wizards. It will make it look good, but it's going to protect the vehicle as well. My name's Strahanoski with BC Marketing. I'm a field rep. I work for a repping agency, so we go out into the shops and work directly with the guys on the products. Yeah, one thing I like to talk about is our Shine Master. It's an excellent product. One of the best benefits to this product is it puts a polymer coating on the vehicle so it actually protects it. What the body shops are missing is they're not putting a coating on the car. They buff them, polish them, but then when they're done, there's nothing to protect the UV and the coating that we leave behind. So what the Shine Master actually does is it puts a sealant on there, but it still allows it to breathe. So in a body shop, it's not going to seal it off. You can put it on freshly painted stuff and it will still react perfectly with that. When you look in the industry, there's a lot of good qualified technicians, but some things fall through that they don't learn the proper way to do it. And that's where the Shine Master comes in. A lot of our competitors don't push a polymer coating on the end, and that's where we put this product right there.